it makes you sick. It makes you sick to your stomach.
As the legal fight centered around the 67-mile transmission line has been playing out, today surveyors for the developers started their work on people's private property in Baltimore County. Good afternoon and thank you for joining us. I'm Maxine Stryker.
And I'm Mackenzie Frost. They are just getting information about the land for now, but Fox 45's Jessica Babb was out there today showing us the tension that just keeps building.
Late last week, landowners started getting these notices, and today we saw the surveyors walking around to several of those properties. We mainly saw the surveyors along the edges of the properties, but many landowners tell me they're bracing themselves for a long week ahead. Out in the Baltimore County countryside.
Beginning 7/21/2025 and through 7/25/2025.
With notices posted.
Representatives working on behalf of PSEG and the Maryland Piedmont Reliability Project will be accessing the above property.
A long-awaited moment for many landowners, like Judy Fiedler, is finally here. She's lived on her land for over 40 years.
I feel sick when I get up in the morning, and I feel sick at night because the only thing I can think of is these people coming in here and invading us.
The surveyors in their neon yellow shirts standing out against the picturesque backdrop.
The whole process is very alarming.
With a long list of surveys.
Topography, archaeological, there were a couple other ones, environmental, bog turtles, bats.
For property owners like Brandon Hill.
I'm exhausted. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night with this going on.
This all coming after a federal judge gave Public Service Enterprise Group, the developers, the right to enter people's private property to survey the land as they move forward with plans to build a 67-mile high-voltage transmission line. Even though the state hasn't approved the project and residents have been strongly resisting, the court is allowing them on the land, citing laws related to eminent domain.
What can you do? You can't stop it.
It's definitely discouraging. They still have to get the PSEG approval and everything else, so it's by no means a done deal or anything, so I'm trying to stay high in spirit and just watch them and make sure they're doing everything correctly while they're out here.
And it's just the beginning. In a second lawsuit, PSEG now suing nearly 200 more landowners, trying to get access to land all along the route.
I'm terrified of the precedent this sets, and unless any of the appeals go through, any out-of-state utility can just go into any state and start doing surveys on their land without going through the state-level PSC process.
For landowners watching and waiting, PSEG says surveys for each property will be different, some taking up to an hour, others taking days. They say they look forward to continuing an open dialogue with all stakeholders to further the construction of this important reliability project they say is necessary to alleviate the risk of system collapse and blackouts.
Now to have these power lines come in and just destroy the landscape, it's sickening.
The tension around this transmission line tangible as landowners fight back, arguing the project benefits data centers instead of Marylanders.
This is just one battle that we lost. This is a long war. Just stay in the fight and stay strong.
The developers have also added more information about each survey to their website, and you can find a link to that at our website at foxbaltimore.com. In Baltimore County, Jessica Babb, Fox 45 News.